alternative that you can use to make money with your mobile app. We all know what AdMob is. Let me make a small research about what AdMob is for those people who does not know what AdMob is. AdMob is initiated by Google to pay app publisher to advertise on their app, just like the Google AdSense that pay bloggers or website owner to advertise on their site. Now let me show you an example of Google AdSense so you know what actually an ad look like. Now if I go to this site, so let's make sure that this site load. Now this thing that is showing now is an ad. You can see this is a Google ad. Can you see all this one now? They are Google ads. So once someone click on this, the owner of this site get a payment for that. So let's assume a lot of people come to this place and click on any of this ad link, so the site owner will get let's say a lot of money for them. Now this is for the blog or for a website. So in another way, there is a way you can make money by making an application and putting an advertisement on your application. Now let me show you one application. Let's use this for example. Let's say we want to use which one should we use? Let's use this for example. Let's use this Bible for example. Let's see, can you see at the top, at the bottom part of this application, you can see that there is Fair Money Microfinance Bank advertisement. Now this advertisement is initiated by Google AdMob, because AdMob is for application while AdSense is for website. Now in other way, we all know how hard it is for Google AdSense or Google AdMob to approve an application or approve your blog to run ad on it. So in that sense, we are going to be looking at one alternative that you can use to Google AdMob. Now that alternative is start.io. You can create an app and integrate this start.io on it. So what you just need to do is, I'm going to be putting the link to this site on the description of this video on my YouTube channel. So what you just need to do is click on the link on the description. It will take you to this part. Once it take you to this part, just click on start monetizing. So once you click on start monetizing, it will ask you to register if you have not registered. But as for my case, I've already registered on this website. So what I need to do is to log in. So it will take you to the publisher's dashboard, where you need to register or log in if you have already registered. So let's wait for it to load up. So sorry for that. So you can see now in this place, I have already added 2 applications to this my start.io, and I have, from the 2 applications, I have 2 clicks, 6 impression. Like the rate of people that are viewing the ads, that are using the application, we only have 6 impression. But from the 6 impression, we only have 2 clicks, but it has not generated any revenue. So in this sense, if you have a lot of people using your application, you can get a lot of revenue from this. So how do we log in or register? I've already logged in, so I'm going to log out. So once I log out, you just create an account with them, and once you create an account with them, you are going to add your app. Now you can add your app in 2 ways, which I'm going to be showing you. Now first thing is, you need to, this is the login page. You click on sign up to register, but in my own case, when I wanted to register, I just click on continue with Google. But instead, you can continue with email. So in this sense, it's going to ask for your first name, last name, your company name, your website, your default dashboard. Is it for publisher or advertiser? That is, if it is for advertiser, you have a product to advertise, so you are going to pay them. So once you pay them, they are going to send what you pay them for to the publisher to advertise on those publishers app. But you want to make money from them, so you register as a publisher. That is, you allow them to run ads on your website, on your application rather. So once you are done, just click on sign in. But in my case, I did not use email to sign up, so I'll still continue with my Google. So automatically it capture my name, my address, and a lot of things like that. So when I just log in with this, it will take me to my dashboard. So you can see this is the dashboard that we opened recently. So to do that, let me just, sorry, it's taking us to the personal info. You can change your phone to put on two-step authentication. You know this is about money, so you need to update all this, but this is not where we are going. Let me go back. You come back to this place, sorry. Now to add your application, now at this down part, this is the analytic, this is for the earning. Yes, I don't have anything yet. Then if you want to add your application, I already have two apps that I built. Now I built this app using a free tool called App Creator. I'm going to be dropping the video link on how to build an app yourself and integrate this start.io. Now I'm going to be showing you these two apps on my phone now, the two apps I built without writing any form of code. Now if this is what you also want to do, to build an app for yourself, and you can put on Play Store to send to your friend and also run an advert on it to make money, then I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Just click on the link on how to build mobile application without running code. Now I'm going to be dropping the link on the description of this video also. Now you can see these are the two application. So for you to add new application, just click on this plus icon. But if you are starting for the first time, you are not going to see any application on that. Now there is two ways you can add the application. One is insert your app URL. Let's, for example, your app is already on Google Play Store. Now let me see one of my app on Google Play Store. Let me go to Play Store and look for this. I think this is on Play Store. Now can you see, I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to copy the link. I'll click on share, then click on copy. Can you see copy URL? Now that's it. So once I've done that, I'll just click on here, copy it, I paste it here, then I'll click on what, add application. Now is this app designed for kids? No, please choose here if your app is designed for user below. Now this app anybody can use it, but actually is a telecommunication application. So can you see, it will just bring it, then click on add app. Can you see? Now so once we have added my app, now this is my app ID. That is, this is the code I'm going to put into to my publisher ID. You understand? So once I copy this, now put it at where my publisher ID is supposed to be, then ads will be showing on this crown tag. Now but let me show you, for example, now these are the app I've created that I make use of this start.io. This flip the bottle. So I created this free app without running any code. So can you see at the top bottom now, if I click on it now, it's going to what? It's going to read for me that someone click it. So this is an app I click. Let's play the app and you see this is a game. This is a game app. Can you see? It's an interesting game. Everybody wants to know how to flip bottle. So you can do something like this also and add adverts to it and make people play it. Once people play it, once in a while they might watch, just come here and watch, click on it and you get your money. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section.